Y'all, back with another hair video. I'm looking a little bald right now, but that's about to change. So y'all know I just moved to Florida, right? Planning on going to the beach real soon. So you know when you go to the beach, you gotta have that pretty curly popping hair going on, right? So I got just the wig to achieve that look. So what I have for you is an Afro Kinky Curly Wig by Ali Bliss. The Ali Bliss hair team, we are here to deliver value, to make you smile and help you look and feel amazing. Confidence, brilliant, elegance, positive. Hey, I like that. So it comes with a weaving cap. It comes with the operating manual. Say you're a wig expert, and it just teaches you how to put on the wig. Then it has a card here that you can fill out if you need to return and get a refund. And sorry for the lighting. Like I said, just moved here and I still haven't got any light bulbs yet. These are some yellow light bulbs, well, soft white light bulbs that's in my bathroom right now. And I plan on changing them out to like daylight light bulbs so I can give that more natural light effect. But right now it's looking yellow, sorry. Y'all, look at these curls already. Straight out the packaging. Look at those curls. Look at those. Ooh, and it's nice and thick. Ooh, I'm gonna have fun with her. Like I said, this is an Afro Kinky Curly Wig, natural color, more like a number 2. So I'm reading it over here. 16 inches, 150% density. So it has bleach knots and a natural hairline. My cap size is a medium, which is 22.5 inches, if I'm not mistaken. So it has the 2 combs on the side, one in the front and one in the back. All right, I had to pop in some contacts real quick because I already know this hairstyle is gonna look bomb without the glasses. Cut this lace off real quick. It does have baby hairs. So let me push this back real quick and begin to cut. Before I put the wig on, I'm going to put some of this wig knot healer, which is basically concealer and like a brush on this end. So I'm gonna put it all on the lace. So this is what it looks like. It's concealer up on this side and then a brush on this side so you can blend it in. I'm about to do some of this off camera, but I just wanted to show y'all. And you take the brush and blend it in. And this is what it looks like when you're all done. So this is what the hair looked like straight out of the packaging. And this is the hairline, definitely natural looking. I guess y'all can sit back and watch me style her and achieve these beautiful beach curls. So I switched from this curling foaming mousse to the Kinky Curly Custard. This is giving me a better definition than that curling mousse. decided to switch up the part a little bit. So it's not really a middle part, it's not really a side part, but it's a part. And the curls are just beautiful. Like I said, I switched from this mousse to the Kinky Curly Custard and water. And oh, and the dimming brush. Show y'all real quick what the dimming brush does to the curls. That's why it's so important to have a dimming brush, because they will get your curls popping. So let me show you real quick. They just get these curls nice and popping. So all right, so I think I'm ready to hit the beach scene. If you guys would like to check out this wig from Ali Bliss, I will leave all the information and the link down in the description box. I also got a $20 off coupon for you guys. Just type in JVlogs in the coupon section for your $20 off, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next